Hi everyone, welcome to the Beginners Pilates class. I'm really excited that you're going to follow my classes. I really hope you're going to enjoy them. You're going to learn lots of things. You're going to learn how to stabilize your core, how to best look after yourself, how to get stronger, how to avoid injuries. As a physio, I'm just really passionate, and I think Pilates is a great way of maintaining your overall strength and making sure that all the muscles are working in case you want to pick up a new sport or you want to do something else. Your body will always be strong from the inside. So enjoy the next 6 sessions with me. And then I'm really looking forward to meeting you on the next online classes. I'm sure you will be, you will have learned so much and you'll feel so much more confident about Pilates that you'll be able to join the other classes. All right, well, enjoy and see you soon. Bye-bye.